Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V60E and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Now let's scroll and go to more security settings. And here we've got the option Encryption Credentials. Let's tap on it. At the very bottom, we've got the option we're looking for. So clear credentials, let's tap on it and tap on OK. Not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.